Today is Monday, November the 11th, but I'm really making this because I didn't do one for Friday, November the 8th, and I apologize for that. But here we are, 10 minutes into the market open on Monday morning, and you can see that the Globex high was actually made on Saturday afternoon. Remember the ES? Well, didn't think the ES traded actually on Saturday and Sunday, but here we have a Globex high made back here, and we're bouncing off of the Globex low, which was made just before the open. These are the levels to watch today. The levels between the Globex low and the Globex high, these Fibonacci levels, but we're off to a bad start. We don't yet have, there we go, now we have the advancers to decliners, and on the New York Stock Exchange they're leading, decliners are leading by 3 to 1 and NASDAQ 1.5 to 1. Now let's take a look at some of the important charts that we're following. The main one is the McClellan oscillator, and you can see that Friday it dipped below the neutral line, just a little bit lower than the last point at which it bounced. If we don't get a bounce today, I fear that the sold line is going to be our attraction, and money will continue to move out of the market until it becomes a good opportunity to buy back in again. The key charts are the S&P. Really don't see much here. Gold is taking a little bit of a turn positively because of the market going down. Caterpillar is down a little bit. The stock that we're watching here and we've been analyzing is KL. Now KL is in this consolidation pattern going back from where it had its low on July 31st to its high double top here in this time frame of September the 3rd, and since then it's been going lower and higher and lower and higher and lower and higher in this cone pattern, which is usually bullish, and we should see a break to the upside. Now remember, I'm only half a position in with 500 shares, and I'm looking for support down along this trend line, and that's why I've got an alert, and that trend line would be at 44.53 today. Doesn't mean that it has to come down that low, but we're getting to the point where it needs to either break out or fall out of this consolidation pattern. That's what we need to look for. If it breaks out, we buy more. If it falls out, we sell what we have at a loss. So that's all for today. I want to keep it a little bit short, and I apologize for not having anything out on the weekend.